Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. Today is Tuesday, December 7th. It's lunchtime, I'm working from home. I'm going to be showing you a few trades. This video will focus on Tesla poor man's covered call, which you haven't seen in a while, Apple poor man's covered call, which you haven't seen in a while, and then updating you on my Tesla Iron Condor. I had to make some trades yesterday, which I couldn't film, but I'm going to be opening a new one hopefully, and then showing you just my trades and what I'm going to do. I might be releasing another video I might be filming another one on Thursday, just showing you what I'm doing with my cash secured puts. But regardless, I sold a 162.50 Apple call. So Apple was trading at like 150. I sold 162. And then it's obviously past that. So now I have to manage it. I have 10 days before it gets called away. Right now it's in the money. I'll show you what that looks like. So we're looking at my call. I have a January 20, 2023 75 call. So I paid $6,000 for it. And now it's worth $9,750. So my leap is up a little bit. I'm not making that much money on it. There's not much volatility or IV here, so I just have to deal with it. I sold this call for $372 and now it's worth $960. So I'm losing $588 on it because it is in the money. If you see here in the money, it says yes. So I have to roll it. Right now it's December 17th. I have 10 days left. I'm going to roll it to January 2022, 30 days-ish, and then roll it up, hopefully 2.5 strikes, so another $250. I have it queued up already. So I'm buying back the December 17th 162. So you have to buy back what you sold. When you select the order, it'll say buy to close instead of buy to open. That's how you know you're doing it properly. And I'm selling a new one for January 21st, 2022. I'm rolling it out another 2.5 strikes. So it's still in the money. But if you see here, I'm making $80 even though I'm rolling it up. So it's in the money and I'm rolling it up. So my leap, I'm making $2.50 a share. Every leap is 100 shares. So I'm making $250 just by doing this move. And I'm getting another $80. What I don't want to do, if you see here, if I go to 170, so there is no 167 option. If I go to 170, I probably have to pay $200. I don't know if I want to pay $200. So I would make another $750 because there's $750 between these two. But then I'm paying $200 for it. So I don't know. I'm going to do this. If Apple pulls back below 170, it's not looking good. I'll manage it. I'll roll it up or I'll close it. But, Apple's experiencing growth right now. I'm going to continually roll this up until I'm out of the money. Yeah, I'll just have to deal with it. Not ideal. I've had it for 12 months so far, and this is the first time I've been breached, but it happens. So let me sell this. You see here it says buy to close, so I'm getting rid of my obligation. I'm making $90. Sell to open. This is my new one. This will get filled right away. There we go. If we go and just update my spreadsheet a little. So I made 80. Yeah, this was what I was planning, $85. If I get assigned at 165, I would have made $4,460 just selling. Is it just selling the calls? No. This is with the dollars if I sign. Yeah. $4,460. But ideally, I'm not going to get assigned. Just kind of roll it. I have like 2 more years left. So let's go down to see what I've been doing with Tesla. We go here. If we just focus on the diagonal call, which is the poor man's covered call, I don't know if you've watched from like a month ago. I haven't been doing much because it's in the money. I bought a 300 strike Tesla Leap for $33,500. Right now it's worth almost $75,000. So I'm up 41 grand on it. Last week, if I showed you this, I was up $65,000. But then Tesla dropped from $12.50 to $10.50. So unrealized, I lost money, but I didn't lose much. So I have an in the money call. So I sold a covered call and then it ended up shooting up. Not the ideal scenario, but I just have to manage it and go from here. But I'm going to show you what happens when there's a lot of volatility on a company. You see with Apple, I only made $90 to go up 2.5 strikes. $250, but watch what happens with this. So I'm going to go custom, add a call. So buy back the exact one you sold, which is 870, and then sell a month out. Watch what happens when I go 910. Oh dear. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try, let's go. I can probably get this for 0.05. Look at this. I'm going up from 870 to 910. That's $40. Now I have one leap. Every leap is 100 shares. So I'm going up $40 a share, which is $4,000. You see what happens with the volatility? They're so, with Apple, I only went up 2.5 strikes. And now I'm going up $40 here. Obviously, there's a difference because of the price. It's obviously a lot higher. But I went up, I'm going up $4,000 here for break even. So I'm going to hopefully just pay $5 on this and it'll get filled. I can probably, like, if I want to go 920, it'll cost me a lot more. It'll cost me $800, which I don't want to do. So I'll go here we'll try to go 0.05. I think I can do it. 0.05. Let's try to go 0.05 credit. So if I sell, it'll say buy to close and then sell to open a new one. This is another $4,000. If we update this, so I was assuming I'd make $0 on it, which is fine. But if I get assigned January 2021, I should update this formula, stupid formula, but I would have made $34,000 total. I paid $33,500 on it. And then I'm not really taking into account the cost of the leap or the gain on the leap that I'd be making, which is this $41,000. But, we'll deal with that. I'm just trying to roll it before it gets too close to expiration so I don't get early assigned. Chances are you won't, but I've been bit in the past. I just don't want to get early assigned. If we close this and we go to this is a vertical put. So what I didn't get to show you guys, I had to manage my Iron Condor. So I ended up rolling it down and adding 3 contracts for another $1,400. So last week I showed you making $33.25, and now I made an additional $1,400 for a total of $4,728. And now I get to close this out. Check this out. Like I get to close this out for $400. So I would have made $3,900 in total. When Tesla dropped last week to so it dropped yesterday actually to 950. I ended up rolling this down from 950 to 900, and then obviously it's mooning today, and I should be able to close these out. You can see I rolled them out for a lot of money. Like this would have been an additional $10,000, but I get to close these out now. Remember when I said my total buying power is 6 Iron Condors on Tesla? I'm going to only sell 3 in case I have to manage it. And I did have to manage it. And I ideally want to sell these every Tuesday and close them on Tuesday. I don't want to leave these open because Tesla moves a lot in case anything happens. So I'm going to close these now and then get a lot of my buying power back. So I'll get $60,000 in buying power back. We'll open a new Iron Condor. Why didn't it get filled? Open a new Iron Condor. And I'll show you, I'm only going to be using $30,000 of that buying power. So let's go Tesla. Let's go Iron Condor. And then, come on. Okay, we're reconnecting. All right, sorry about that. My computer's freaking out. So we'll go 10 days out. I'll just select anyone. So when you're doing an Iron Condor, it'll automatically create it to buy, but I just go sell. But you can change, you can manage it. I like to look at just the call and put side of it. So, okay, filled, that's fine. I'm looking at 1250, 1300. So I kind of want to go a little far out just so I don't have to worry about it. Ideally, I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going 1250, and then my protection is 1350. And then I'm going to sell. Again, like I don't mind selling a put on the slightly riskier side. So 950 is a little risky. 950, 850. Maybe I'll move these out. We'll see how much I can make off this. So right now, this will pay me like 3,600, 3,700. That might be a little too much. Tesla is pretty close. Like, it can go down. I think I can manage it if anything happens. Like, I do have the buying power again. So I got back $60,000 in buying power, and I'm only using 26,000. Let's see what the Greeks look like. So it's not like delta neutral. What am I using up? So my bigger risk is this 950. Maybe I can, I don't know. Do I go a little further out? So 830, 930, make a little bit less money. So like $3,000 just for a little less risk. I don't know if that's worth it. 930. I think this is fine. It'll have to go down $100, 10%. 950 seems a little too close. Let's go 930. So if anything happens, I can roll it down further. This is 10 days. I'll close this Tuesday right now. I'll hopefully close it out next Tuesday. So $3,000, try to close for at least $1,500. Should be good. Good start. Good start to the day, I think. I'm not sure if I'm going to show any trades now. I want to create like totally separate videos. But if we go, there's nothing really I want to point out. I'm going to save them for other videos. I kind of want to roll Neo, Nvidia, Riot, and Square. These are my cash secured puts in another video. I'm going to save those. So let me stop here. I'll give you an update on maybe on Thursday on these cash secured puts. And then next Tuesday, ideally, I'm going to give you another update on the Iron Condor on Tesla. But yeah, thanks for watching. I changed my release time from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I seem to be getting more views. I might start advertising a little more. My growth on this channel has slowed. Like, I get like 10 subs a day no matter what I do. I need to get a little more. It's been kind of stagnant. I have like two types of viewers. I have half my viewers watch my options videos and half tune in for the Canadian stock advice and stock picks. So I'm going to try to curate more content related to those two people. People have been asking for an options course, which is on my mind. I'm doing the research on how to create a course right now. I might create a short 4-hour options course. And then maybe a personal finance course, but that's all maybe in the new year. It's a little too close, too much to do for now. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.